how to buy Trump and Elon and UAP UAP token. So this token came under the symbol of Trump and UAP. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. As you can see, before going out by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on the screen. It's created by 8 hours ago. As you can see here, it's trending number 3 on the screener, and as you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 100%. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, as you can see, and this token is under this Solana network. Open your fund wallet. For that, click on swap here and make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and now paste the token address. This is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive. After that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap and you will be able to redirect it to a Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now after that, if you face any issues, just go back to this page, switch the slip hash from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slip hash. And after that, go and you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Trump and UAP token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.